Meet this colorful fish called the cowfish. The cowfish is one of the ocean's most unusual creatures, known for its boxy shape and horn-like protrusions that resemble a cow. They are mostly found in warm tropical waters. This quirky fish isn't just about looks, it has a secret defense. When threatened, it can release a toxic substance that wards off predators. Despite its awkward appearance, the cowfish glides smoothly through the water using tiny fins, making it a standout in any reef. Unique, colorful, and full of personality, the cowfish proves that being different is a superpower in the ocean. What do you know about this cute creature? Let me know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe.